As part of the Swachhata Hi Seva initiative, a rally by Sandur and Vero was organized to raise awareness on the use of single-use plastic pollution, river contamination and importance of proper waste disposal. The students of NCC and NSS from various colleges of Shillong participated at the rally, flagged off from State Central Library and culminated at NCC headquarters. The rally was flagged off by PCCF R.S. Gill. Chairman of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, R. Naina Malai, said the use of single-use plastic has been banned due to damages to the environment, whereas Meghalaya, the district-level special task force, has been constituted to check on the use of single-use plastic.
In the chaos of life, we often overlook and forget the great blessings which are right next to us. If you look at the trees growing here and the clear blue sky above your head, it may not ring any bell or look anything inconspicuous. Because trees have to be there, the sky has been there for millions of years. The point is, such clear sky and such wonderful trees are not available to people all over the world. People are living in various chaotic conditions, mainly in the urban settings. There are places where the water is polluted. There are places where the air is compromised. And everywhere, the biggest hope for the people is to have a simple, healthy living.